Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're putting a real heavyweight of the kitchen countertop on trial.
The undisputed king, really. The Ninja Foodi OL550UK. We're talking 11 million units sold.
Exactly. And the promises are just huge. One SmartLid, 11 cooking modes, it replaces your entire kitchen. And this is the big one. It claims to deliver 65% savings on your energy bill.
Which is why we're here.
We've got the independent testing reports, and we need to know, is the hype legit?
Our mission for this deep dive was really to separate those brilliant marketing claims from the actual product performance. We zeroed in on 3 areas the investigators found most critical.
Okay, what are they?
First, the true cooking capacity. Second, are those massive energy savings real? And third, overall quality control, especially for what they're charging.
All right, let's start with the size then. The whole pitch is centered on that one SmartLid and this idea that it can feed up to 6 people.
That's the claim, yes. On Ninja's own product page, they say it feeds 6.
But that's not quite the full picture, is it?
Not at all. It's the first major snag we found. Multiple major retailers quietly list this unit as ideal for, well, up to 4 people.
4. That's a massive difference if you're planning a family meal. A lie, even.
It is. A 2-kilogram chicken does physically fit, but as one reviewer noted, serving 6 adults from that would certainly lead to a fight over scraps.
So it's a case of marketing versus reality. What about the physical size of the unit itself? It looks pretty bulky.
It's a beast. It weighs nearly 11 kilograms. Plus, it stands 33 centimeters tall.
Okay, and why does that matter?
Because the lid opens vertically, straight up. The independent reviews confirmed it often simply will not fit under standard kitchen cabinets if you actually want to open it.
So it saves counter space, but only if you have nothing above it.
Exactly. It just demands clear vertical space instead.
Let's pivot to the big financial incentive, though. That's 65% savings on energy bills. That's a game changer if it's true.
It is, and this is where the machine truly shines. That claim is actually true, based on all the independent testing.
Wow. So how does it pull that off?
The specific data is fascinating. The Foodi draws 1,460 watts. Your standard oven is pulling, what, 2,500 watts?
So a much lower power draw to start with.
Right, and you combine that with it being 70% faster at cooking, and you get real, tangible savings. It really can justify the initial cost.
And the performance itself holds up.
It does. Testing showed it gets identical pressure cooking results to competitors like the Instant Pot, and the air frying is just as good as standalone fryers.
Okay, so the performance is rock solid. Let's shift gears to the long game. Durability. This is where those shiny claims can fall apart.
And Ninja really pushes the quality. The nonstick ceramic coating is advertised as, PTFE-free, PFOA-free.
And indestructible, I think that's the word they use.
That's the one. But that claim runs straight into user reports. We saw multiple cases of that coating starting to chip after only 6 months of normal use.
6 months? That's not great for a premium appliance.
It's not. And we also saw one specific report where an air fryer fan just died after 2 months.
To be fair, Ninja did offer a rapid 24-hour replacement. That's top-tier customer service.
No doubt. But a fan dying in 2 months, it raises serious questions about consistency, especially when you look at the price tag.
Right. How does it compare?
That convenience of the single lid comes with a premium. It costs about 10 pounds more than its main competitor, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp.
For what the tests showed were identical cooking results.
For identical results, you are paying more just for that single lid.
So this deep dive really shows a clear trade-off.
It does. You're buying phenomenal verified energy savings, and it's efficient on your counter space.
But you're giving up reliable capacity claims, and you're taking a bit of a risk on the long-term durability.
Precisely. If counter space is your absolute priority, and you cook for 4 or fewer people, this product delivers.
But for larger families, or if you're on a tight budget.
The sources strongly suggest you look elsewhere, at cheaper alternatives that are more upfront about what they can actually do.
Which really leaves us with a final thought for you to mull over.
If a product's core performance is identical to its competitors, how much extra are you really willing to pay? And how much counter space are you willing to sacrifice, just for the perceived convenience of not switching lids?